In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of cloning a successful YouTube channel using DeepSeek AI. Our purpose is to guide you through the innovative process of leveraging artificial intelligence to replicate the strategies of top-performing channels. You'll learn how DeepSeek AI analyzes content trends, audience engagement, and niche performance to help you create videos that resonate with viewers. We'll also discuss the significance of using AI in content creation, as it can streamline your workflow and enhance creativity. Plus, we'll explore the potential financial benefits of cloning a successful channel, from increased ad revenue to brand partnerships. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to elevate your YouTube game and maximize your earnings. Understanding DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to analyze and optimize YouTube content. It functions by utilizing sophisticated algorithms that sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends in viewer behavior. The technology behind DeepSeek AI includes machine learning and natural language processing, which enable it to understand not just what content performs well, but why it resonates with audiences. By examining factors such as engagement rates, video length, and topic relevance, DeepSeek AI can pinpoint successful content strategies that creators can adopt. This powerful tool empowers users to make data-driven decisions, ensuring that their videos are not only engaging, but also strategically aligned with what viewers are actively seeking. With DeepSeek AI, content creators can unlock the secrets to YouTube success. Analyzing the original channel. To effectively analyze the 307kMonth YouTube channel, we begin by evaluating key metrics such as views, watch time, subscriber growth, and engagement rates. These indicators provide insight into the channel's overall performance and popularity. Next, we examine the types of content that significantly contributed to its revenue, focusing on popular video formats, themes, and topics that resonate with viewers. This analysis reveals which content strategies are most effective in driving income. Additionally, understanding the key audience demographics, such as age, gender, and geographic location, helps us tailor future content to meet viewer preferences. Finally, we explore engagement strategies, including call to actions, community interaction, and social media promotion, which play a crucial role in building a loyal audience and maximizing revenue potential. Cloning strategy development. Developing a cloning strategy based on analysis is essential for replicating success while maintaining your unique voice. First, it's crucial to identify and replicate successful content themes that resonate with the target audience. This involves understanding what worked well for the original channel and why. Next, outline the steps to create a content calendar using insights gained from your analysis. Start by scheduling video topics, formats, and posting frequency that align with audience preferences and peak engagement times. However, while cloning successful elements, it's vital to emphasize originality. Infuse your personal style, perspective, and creativity into the content to differentiate yourself from the original channel. This balance of replication and originality will help you build a unique brand while leveraging proven strategies for success. Content creation process. The content creation process using DeepSeek AI begins with generating video ideas based on AI insights. By analyzing trending topics and viewer preferences, DeepSeek AI helps creators identify content that is likely to engage their target audience. Once you have your ideas, the importance of quality production and editing cannot be overstated. High-quality visuals, clear audio, and professional editing enhance viewer experience and retention. After producing your videos, it's essential to focus on SEO to maximize visibility. This involves optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords that align with what viewers are searching for. By combining AI-driven insights, quality production, and effective SEO strategies, you can create compelling content that not only attracts viewers, but also keeps them coming back for more. Marketing and promotion. Marketing the cloned channel effectively requires a multifaceted approach. First, leveraging social media platforms is crucial for promoting new content. Share video snippets, behind-the-scenes footage, and engaging posts to attract viewers and drive traffic to your channel. Additionally, collaboration with other creators can significantly expand your reach. Partnering with influencers or similar channels allows you to tap into their audience, fostering mutual growth. It's also essential to highlight the role of audience engagement in building a community. Responding to comments, hosting Q&A sessions, and encouraging viewer feedback creates a sense of belonging among your audience. By combining social media promotion, strategic collaborations, and active audience engagement, you can effectively market your cloned channel and cultivate a loyal viewer base that supports your content. Monitoring performance. To effectively monitor the performance of the cloned channel, it's essential to outline key performance indicators, KPIs, that track success. These include metrics such as views, watch time, subscriber growth, and engagement rates, which provide insight into how well your content is resonating with the audience. Analyzing these KPIs allows you to identify trends and areas for improvement. The importance of adapting strategies based on analytics cannot be overstated. If certain content types or topics are underperforming, it's crucial to pivot and refine your approach. Emphasizing continuous improvement means regularly reviewing data and learning from it to enhance future content. By staying responsive to analytics and committed to growth, you can ensure that your cloned channel remains relevant and successful in a competitive landscape. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the exciting potential of using DeepSeek AI for cloning a successful YouTube channel. We discussed how to analyze existing channels, develop effective cloning strategies, and create engaging content that resonates with viewers. By leveraging AI insights, focusing on quality production, and implementing strong marketing strategies, you can set your cloned channel up for success. We encourage you to apply the strategies discussed today and start your journey toward building a thriving YouTube presence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your YouTube journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.